Normal lang ba na tumaas ang blood sugar pag nagfa-fasting kahit hindi ka naman diabetic? Shouldn't be po. So baka po kayo ay hidden diabetic na. Kung kayo ay hindi diabetic, your sugar shouldn't be going up. Kapag kayo ay nagfa-fasting, it should actually go down. So may nangyayari po sa inyong dysregulation. Baka po kayo ay hidden diabetic. Now, if it's in the morning, kaya tumaas, baka naman ito lang yung tinatawag nating dawn effect. But again, in normal people, you don't see the dawn effect. Dawn, ibig sabihin yung pag mag-uumaga na, kasi yung body mobilizes yung sugar na nasa liver po natin, and sometimes people can get increased sugar in the morning, pero hindi po ibig sabihin dito na ito ay normal po. Kung kayo ay hindi diabetic, you shouldn't be having this phenomenon po. So baka kailangan po kayong magpa-oral glucose tolerance test, i-confirm po ninyo kung talagang hindi po kayo diabetic po.